Welcome back to my video. This is the fireworks that I have. Today we're going to be putting it in a Rinse Kit Pro 2.0 box. But first we have festival balls. These were around $7 to $8 for one. If it was at other store, they were $11. So we got it from here instead. Yeah, they're $7, $8-ish, $7.99, wasn't tax. So yeah, we're gonna put this in the box down here. Got two, by the way. And my sister is already close. Okay, now we have.
My sister is already close.
We have Saturn missile batteries. These were $6 each. If you want to tell them ones for one, it was $5.47 or something like that. And yeah, we're gonna put this in the box. I think we put it upright. I'll show you guys how it looks after in the box. And still doing some more fun.
Oh my god!
Why are you ruining my video? Are you gonna do a missile later?
Yeah.
Where is that? Why can't you see them in the dark? Okay. We should have got the crackling ones. Okay. We have now 6. We got 6 by the way. So yeah. Now we have Happy Happy Joy Joy. This is my friend. It's actually really nice. So look, we're actually
What's the firework?
look at this.
You burning in here?
No.
Don't burn in here.
I'll put it out.
And then now we have this.
What was
It's a crackling string.
What's in?
The window
Right
open or something?
No.
And it is
Is it?
a 6 foot. It's kind of like firecrackers, right? And this was $12. 6 foot.
You didn't sell that at any other booth.
Yeah, they didn't have it any other booth. And we got these. These were $2. But at the TNT, they were $5. We got these at Mama Brothers. So I'm gonna put all these in. We got 6 of these. So $12 for these. Now we got these snappers. It's 50 in each pack, and the price for these was, let's see, how much were these? $123 each. Now we have a bunch of ground bloom. Oh, these ones have crackle. I don't know if you can see it. These ones are better, but these cost $6 for 36 pieces. Not bad. Now we got lightning flash. These were buy one get one free. So we have 2 of these lightning flash. And these were $4.98. Would have been $10. Now we have this Reckless. I don't know if it's a cake or what is this. I just bought it. I forgot. We didn't even look at the thing. But we got this. Oh my gosh, the video didn't stop. Can you stop it? I don't know how it's going. This was, I forgot what it's called. Reckless. This was $15.
Is it big?
Okay. We are coming down to the last one. We got this free frog. Doesn't even look like a frog. And these are good. These are like kind of like firecrackers. Wait.
How do I turn it off?
These are kind of like firecrackers, but they're not. But there's 6 in here, and these were $8 for 6. Now we come down to the Pack-a-Punch. This has 49 shots, and this was $10. It has a little monkey on the front. Focus. Little monkey on the front. Now last we have why? That's your problem. It shoots
Why does it say time lapse?
See, this is the last one we have. Grandma gave me $60 today. Shh, don't tell my dad. But I'm gonna go tomorrow. Oh shoot! I don't know. Stop!
What?
Get my video, bro. You're ruining it.
I don't care. Oh, what were you saying? You what?
It's not.
Why does it say time lapse?
Any time lapse.
On here. Look. Look.
Okay. Cause that's my remote.
Why does it say time
And
lapse?
they also gave us this.
That's for slow. Just scroll up
This free
or press this one.
uh,
Time lapse is if you want to look at the
How do
stars.
I get
move.
off time lapse?
gave us some free Fight in the Sky. My sister used one, and I think she liked it. Did you like it? Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Pretty sick.
You just did it?
Okay, we're gonna
Yeah,
We
it was
have-
beeping.
5 each, so we're gonna take those 5 out. So we got 1.
Oh, it's like stuck.
Let me see. You broke it.
Great, it was beeping and now it's my fault.
No, it's only for back.
Oh, break it.
Huh?
Huh?
Because you dropped it.
Well, when it drops? No. These are rubber.
You dropped it?
It just fell over to the side.
You got
These
these
are sticky rubber.
5.
Did you just get it?
Yes, Mama. She had it when she remembered they went to Egypt. Or wherever we went.
And this is all the
There you
fireworks
go,
we
turn it
put
off.
into the box.
Oh,
And that's it for my channel, guys. Come back for part 2 when we pop them.
come back.
He's hating. Come back for part 2 on my channel.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Press that notification button.
Watch the
Peace.
video.